welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know my name is Nicole Marie. So today I'm filming two separate videos. I will be sure to link the other one down below. I'm doing a hair tutorial video today and also a no foundation makeup look tutorial today. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and also leave a comment. Don't be a stranger. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you'd like to see. Let me know your opinions. Just don't be negative or else you will get blocked. Yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to keep know how I got this look, then keep on watching. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a how I curl my hair tutorial. Right now it's in a ponytail looking all kind of ratchet, but let's fix this baby up. So some of you guys may know, or for those of you who don't know, I have naturally curly hair. So this hair is actually been straightened and I'm just going to curl it now. So if you guys want to see a how I straighten my hair tutorial, let me know. So first things first, comb your hair. I'm just using my Revlon brush to just comb it out and get it all not natty. It's easiest to straighten my hair or curl it when I part it. So just part it how you normally would. So usually I'll part it in half and I will just put this side in a ponytail or a little bun just to get it out of the way. I just realized this is my first hair tutorial, so let me know how I do. I mean, I can do my own hair, and actually other people too when it comes to straightening and curling, but hairstyles, that's not my specialty. So just put in a little bun, whatever. I like to use clips. Where are all my clips? Okay, so I like to clip up the hair that I'm not using. Okay, so when curling or straightening your hair, one of the most important things you can do is use a heat protector so it doesn't get damaged, because trust me, from someone who knows and who had to cut all of their hair off in high school because of heat damage and dyeing it damage, please take care of your hair. Take care of your hair. I like to use the Turn Up the Heat Flat Iron Protection Beyond the Zone spray. You can get it from Sally's. It is not expensive at all. A little bottle, I actually think I got this one for like $8 or $12, and it's a lot and you don't use that much, so it lasts you a long time. It's just to protect your hair from heat damage. So just spray it all over. It smells good too, by the way. I usually do that. I take sections when curling my hair, so I'm just going to take this section right here. Hopefully you guys can see. Taking a section, my hair is really curly right here, so I mean if you have curly hair you can do this step. Just straighten the root area, and then to curl you get your straightener, put it in like a downwards angle, straighten it. While you're straightening it, curl it once and bring it all the way down. And then you'll come out with nice curls that last. My curls last, I guess it depends on your hair. My curls last all night till the next day. And next day they'll look even still good. They just loosen up a little bit. So you can use hairspray on your curls after, or whatever hair products you like to use. I personally do not like using hairspray. I don't like when my hair is crunchy. So if you guys know like a good like after curling product I can use that doesn't make your hair crunchy, then let me know. But yeah, this is how I curl my hair. Really easy. So when you see me on Instagram with my hair curled, I do it this way because I'm really good at doing it this way. I've been doing my hair since middle school, dyeing it, curling it, straightening it. So I've gotten good at it. I do like wands. The thing with wands though, is it takes forever. So this is like if you want to curl your hair and you're in a faster, oh shit, I forgot about this. You're trying to do it faster. Okay, so literally separate it into sections, going from bottom to the top of your head and just curling it. So once again, downward angle, turn the flat iron and just lightly bring it all the way down.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
So if I see little pieces that aren't curled, I'll usually just like pick them out and recurl them. Also, I didn't mention I'm using my cheese straightener. I've been using this literally for years and it still works. It's an amazing ceramic straightener and I believe it's like $100, but I mean for your hair it's good to invest in something that works good. Okay, so I got one side down and now I have one more side to go. If you really want smaller curls, you can take smaller portions. If you want larger curls, take larger portions. But overall, curling it with the straightener, you're gonna get like loose curls, kind of, not tight ones. If you want tight curls, use a wand. And maybe I'll do a hair tutorial on how to use a wand. But anyways, this is how I get my curls. I'm going to do the other side and then I'll show you guys the finish. Here is the finishing hair look. You can style it however you want. Want to do half up, half down, pin it back, whatever. This is how I usually curl my hair. And I usually part it like this. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I kind of rushed through it because I have somewhere to be. So it's also my first hair tutorial, so I really don't know what I'm doing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and thank you guys for watching.